Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use the memory allocation Minecraft. Chapter 1. How to use memory allocation Minecraft from app. To start, open the Launcher app, wait for it to load. Here, click on the gear icon, click on Settings. You're going to go to the memory allocation section. To find out the available memory, click on Start and click on Settings. Here, go to System and click on About. Check the installed RAM. Now on Memory Allocation section, use the slide to set the new value. Click on Save. Chapter 2. How to use memory allocation Minecraft deleting older version. To start, right-click on the shortcut and click on Open File Location. Here, open the Versions folder. Now delete all older versions of the launcher. Open Allocating and wait to load. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now click on Enter the game. The first time, you need set a username and install this. After this, it's possible to open the game from here. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.